This is Stephanie Manley. I'm going to show you how you can make bacon cheddar ranch pull-apart bread. I recently saw this recipe on a couple of websites, one including plainchicken.com. Thought this was fabulous and wanted to give this one a try. Now I'm going to begin by using bacon instead of bacon bits. I'm going to take my bacon, I'm taking about 4 ounces of bacon and putting it in a 425 degree oven, and I'm going to only bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So that means my bacon is not done, but I don't need it to be done. I just need it to be partially done. So once that bacon is taken out, I'm going to chop it up into small pieces and get it ready to put in my bread. Now, talking about that bread, I want you to slice your bread diagonally with the pieces being about an inch apart. Now, don't slice down all the way to the bottom of the bread. And when you get to the end pieces, don't be as aggressive about cutting them. So when you finish slicing the bread one way, turn it around and then slice it the other way, diagonally again. So we get these nice little chunks of bread inside. Now it's time to make the sauce. We're going to melt 1/2 cup of butter, that's 1 stick of butter, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon of dry ranch mix. So this is our wonderful sauce. It's going to help flavor up this bread. We're going to give this a quick little stir and set this aside. Now it comes time to stuff this bread. I'm going to use sliced, sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm going to cut my slices in half so they'll fit down into my bread. Now all I'm going to do is take each one of these slices and slip it into one of the slices of bread. You can see how easy that is to do. And rinse, lather, and repeat, and we're going to complete this until it's all the way done. I'm using about 6 to 8 ounces of cheese here. So I like my bread pretty cheesy. So you can see I have it all the way done now. And I have a little bit left over, so I'm just finding any little crack and sticking it in there. Okay. Next, we're going to start pouring on that ranch butter sauce. So just kind of drizzle that over and just keep on drizzling until you run out of this fabulous sauce. It's so good. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our bacon to this. And you are going to want to push that bacon down into those crevices if you can. If not, you can just leave them on top. It's okay. So we had our oven on previously for the bacon. Go ahead and reduce its temperature to just 350 degrees. Once I get all of this bacon on here, I'm going to wrap this up in foil and I'm going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out of the oven and I'm going to open it up at the top and put it back into the oven and let it cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. So here I am, I'm wrapping it up and I'm putting this on a baking sheet because you're going to have a little bit of that ranch butter sauce drip down. So here's 15 minutes later. We need the bacon to crisp up right now, but you can see how fabulous that bread's looking. Again, back in the oven, 10 to 15 minutes, and you pull it out and you have this bread. It's so yummy. For more great recipes, come to copycat.com.